Planning a Valentine's celebration, but your table feels plain? Wondering how to create a romantic table setup that feels intimate, stylish, and memorable? Confused between elegant, cozy, minimal, or Instagram-worthy decor styles? Looking for table decor ideas that work for couples, families, or even solo self-love dinners? Then stay right here, because today we're answering every single question you need to create the perfect Valentine's table decor that sets the mood, tells a story, and makes the moment unforgettable. What makes Valentine's table decor truly romantic? Romantic table decor is all about atmosphere rather than excess. Soft lighting, thoughtful color choices, and balanced elements create a warm emotional tone. When textures, lighting, and personal touches work together, your table instantly feels intentional and intimate rather than over-decorated. Which color palette works best for Valentine's table settings? Classic reds and blush pinks instantly say Valentine's Day, but neutrals like beige, cream, or soft grey add elegance. Pairing these with gold or champagne accents keeps the table refined and modern. A limited colour palette helps your setup feel cohesive and visually calming. If these ideas are sparking inspiration, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone planning a Valentine's celebration. Your support helps us create more beautiful decor inspiration. How can lighting completely transform a Valentine's table? Lighting sets the emotional temperature of your table. Warm candles, fairy lights, or dim ambient lighting create softness and romance instantly. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Gentle glows create shadows that add depth and make every detail feel more magical. What are the best centerpiece ideas for Valentine's Day? A centerpiece should anchor the table without overwhelming it. Fresh flowers, clustered candles, or a low arrangement of roses and greenery work beautifully. Keeping it low ensures easy conversation while still creating a visually striking focal point. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer floral centerpieces or candle-based setups? We'd love to hear your style. How do table linens affect the overall Valentine's decor? Table linens act as the foundation of your decor. A soft runner, lace cloth, or textured fabric instantly elevates the table's look. Neutral or pastel linens allow your decorative elements to shine while adding warmth and sophistication. How can I decorate a small table without overcrowding it? Minimalism works best for small tables. Choose a single centerpiece, slim candle holders, and neatly folded napkins. Leaving breathing space between elements keeps the table elegant and comfortable rather than cluttered. For more table styling ideas for every occasion, check out the full decor playlist linked in the description below. What role do candles play in Valentine's table decor? Candles are the heart of romantic decor. Their soft flicker creates intimacy and emotional warmth. Mixing pillar candles, tea lights, and taper candles at varying heights adds visual interest while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. How can I personalize my Valentine's table setup? Personal touches make the decor meaningful. Handwritten notes, customized place cards, or a small framed memory instantly turn decor into an experience. These details show effort and emotional connection, making the evening feel truly special. If you love thoughtful decor ideas like these, subscribe to the channel for weekly inspiration that turns everyday moments into memorable experiences. How can I make a Valentine's table feel luxurious on a budget? Luxury isn't about price, it's about presentation. Neutral dishware, polished cutlery, and intentional placement can look high-end. Simple elements arranged thoughtfully often feel more elegant than expensive decor used excessively. What tableware works best for Valentine's Day? Clean, elegant tableware keeps the focus on decor and food. White or pastel plates, glassware, and gold-rimmed accents add refinement. Matching tableware helps create a visually harmonious dining experience. Looking for more romantic home styling ideas? You'll find similar videos linked in the description, perfect for seasonal decor inspiration. How do napkins and place settings enhance the table? Napkins add color, texture, and structure to your table. Creative folds, napkin rings, or simple bows elevate even basic setups. Thoughtfully arranged place settings show care and attention to detail. How can flowers be styled for a romantic table? Flowers bring life and softness to the table. Low arrangements, single stem vases, or scattered petals create elegance without overwhelming the space. Keeping the arrangement subtle maintains balance and romance. Loved the decor pieces you see here? You'll find similar products linked in the description to recreate the look effortlessly. How do I style a Valentine's table for a cozy at-home dinner? Comfort is key for intimate dinners. Soft lighting, warm colors, and simple decor create a relaxed yet romantic vibe. Focus on comfort, conversation, and ambience rather than perfection. Can Valentine's table decor work for family or self-love celebrations? Absolutely. Valentine's decor isn't just for couples, it's about love in all forms. Soft tones, gentle lighting, and cheerful accents work beautifully for family dinners or solo self-care celebrations. How do I keep my table decor Instagram-worthy yet practical? Balance beauty with function. Keep decor low, lighting soft, and layout spacious. When your table is both visually pleasing and comfortable, it naturally becomes photo-ready without feeling staged. Creating the perfect Valentine's table decor isn't about following trends. It's about setting a mood that feels warm, thoughtful, and personal. From lighting and colors to small details that tell a story, your table becomes the heart of the celebration. Whether you're planning a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or a quiet self-love moment, these ideas help you create a space that feels unforgettable, just like Valentine's Day should. Like this video and share it with someone planning a Valentine's celebration. Comment below and tell us your favorite Valentine's table decor style. Explore our Valentine decor playlist, linked in the description. Subscribe for more home decor inspiration and styling ideas. Watch more similar videos by checking the links in the description. Find decor products featured in this video through the description links.